was a kid between ruined houses and alleyways. He was chasing rats and birds. About 20 years ago, I met him first time on the strand. He arrived with his bike, started to feed the birds. So I named him the Birdman. Last time I saw him, he was cycling. He stopped at me. He said, I'm not feeling very good. Since then, I haven't seen the Birdman. I haven't seen the Birdman.